Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah, today I am very happy because our topic is about Indonesia. So I feel this topic is very incredible. Okay, but before that, before I explain more about Indonesia, I would like to introduce myself to you to make closer. Okay, my full name is Muhammad Fauzi. Everybody calls me Fauzi. I study at English Academy. I have been study for three weeks, and now I especially speak about education system in Indonesia. Okay, the Indonesian education system is based on 12 years. Okay, structured schools, first 6, 3, and 3. So what does it mean? Okay, the first is primary school or elementary school, and the second 3 years for junior high school or junior students education, and the last is upper student education or senior high school, and followed 4 years undergraduate level and 2 years for master levels. Okay, and then education in Indonesia is compulsory for the first 9 years. So we must study in Indonesia around primary education and junior high school. Okay, but in Indonesia we must study around 12 based on 12 years.
Okay, thank you very much. Good.
And then the language of instruction is bahasa Indonesia. But for 3 years first, using regional language. For primary education or elementary school. So, okay, that's for about education. So, and then schools runs from middle July to middle June. Means when we entered for the new students, we start from middle July to middle June or a semester. And then now we
You just have 2 minutes. Okay?
we talk one by one about the levels, one by one levels. First level is primary education or elementary school. Okay, primary education start or begin since 6 years and compulsory for all children. And for the 6 years include curriculum include like civic, religious, moral education, history, Indonesia history,
History.
Indonesia history,